So let's recap what we have learned over the last several weeks before we move on to more irregular verbs. So we learned that the preterite tense is used in completed actions, things that happen and are done and over with. And we remember it with Simba. And Simba are single actions. Okay, last year I went to Spain. Interruptions. I was doing this when the phone rang. The interruption is preterite tense. A main event, a beginning action, and the amount of time completed in the past. For example, I closed the door 7 times. And we learned our endings for AR, ER, and IR verbs. So we have asteo, amos estáis aron, iste io, imos estáis ieron. Okay? And we know that we need our accents in the yo form, and we also need the accents in the el, ella, usted form. ER and IR verbs are the exact same endings. Here is our chart below. Then, after 2 weeks of practicing with those, we talked about Kar-Gar-Zar verbs. And Kar-Gar-Zar verbs are verbs that end in kar, gar, and zar. And in the yo form is the only time that these spell changes happen. So kar verbs go to k, gar verbs go to gay, and zar verbs go to say. And then we still have this, we'll have the same exact endings for the rest. Asteo, amos estáis aron. So it's the same thing, except for there might be a spell change in the yo form. Again, kar goes to k, gar goes to gay, and zar goes to say. And this is only in the yo form. Notice that with comenzar, it goes to say, but then look, in the to form, the he, she form, the rest of the forms, the z comes right back. And then finally, we learned the irregular verbs of ser, ir, ver, and dar, and how to conjugate them. So yo fui can mean I was, and it could also mean I went. Yo vi is I saw, and yo di was I gave. And again, these are verbs that we just have to memorize because they're irregular. So again, for ser and ir, they have the exact same conjugation, but we can tell the difference when we hear them in a sentence. So we have fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, fueron. Vi, viste, vio, vimos, vieron. And di, diste, dio, dimos, dieron. And I skipped over the vosotros, but it's there for you as well. So next week, we will end up bringing in some more irregular verbs. But for this week, we're just going to recap what we've got to make sure that it's all clear in our head and that we can practice with them.